Morning gathered on the roses, silver resting on each leaf. Yesterday had left its shadows hanging like an old belief. Then a sparrow broke the silence, and the clouds began to move. Sometimes life returns so softly you don't notice you have bloomed. Every garden after rain lifts its face toward the blue. Every heart that bends in winter finds a spring to lead it through. I don't have to force tomorrow, I can give the light some room. Every garden after rain remembers how to bloom. I opened every window, let the warm air cross the floor. Wore the dress I kept for someday. I don't save myself anymore. Took the long way through the city, bought some flowers just for me. There are ordinary moments that can quietly set you free. Every garden after rain lifts its face toward the blue. Every heart that bends in winter finds a spring to lead it through. I don't have to force tomorrow, I can give the light some room. Every garden after rain remembers how to bloom. There is strength that isn't thunder, there is courage without sound. Like a tiny seed awakening underneath the frozen ground. I was never truly broken, I was learning how to grow. Now the woman in the mirror is someone I am glad to know. Every garden after rain lifts its face toward the blue. Every heart that bends in winter finds a spring to